Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about for each activity, and we'll see the live use case of addition, subtraction, multiplication using for each row activity. So let's go to the UiPath Studio and see the use case. So you can see the screen. I have already created a program using for each row activity. I explain this program what I did here, and then I will run this program and show you the output. So firstly, I describe this program. So you can see here I have taken a one activity that is a build data table. In build data table, I have taken three column here: serial number, number one, and number two. So after that, I have inserted some data in this in above data table. So this data table name is data dt. So in this data table, I have inserted some data. You can see the below. I have using activity add data row. So here I'm using three data row activities, add data row activities, 1, 2, and 3. So I have inserted three row in the data table. So you can see all the value are different. So here I'm taking three rows, and our data table column be already, you can see the three columns. So after that I add other column in the data table. So you can see here I'm using add data column activity here. So for this using this activity, I have created other three columns. So first is sum column, and second is multiply column, and third is subtraction, SVS subtraction column. So here added the three column in the data table. So then our in the data dt table we have a six column now. Okay. So after that I using the for each row activity. Using for each row activity, I have provided here the data dt data table name, and after that I using the get row item activity for getting the two column value here, like uh, first index and the second is index. First index you can see the number one, and second index you can see the number two column. So these two columns I have taken and write in the other variable, like if value comes in and write in the num variable and num1 variable, and another is num2 variable. So after that I am using here uh, assign activity. In that activity I'm adding the both number. So here I'm created the another variable is a sum variable, and here num1 plus num2. So both value of column num1 and num2 I'm adding here. Suppose in the num1 column value is 11 and num2 column value is 12, so we add the both value and store in the sum variable. So after that I have here doing another activity that is a multiply. So here in the multiply I have created the multiply variable, and after that the sum of these two numbers in and into I am multiplying with the 2. Like here the sum of two variable is 50, then I multiply by 2 then our result is multiply result is 100. So like this. So after that here I'm using this subtraction here. So multiply value minus num1, and the num1 variable, like num1 variable have a 12 value, and the multiply have a 100 value. So we will minus here 100 minus 12, and the output comes in the subs variable. So these variable these value I have inserted in we need to insert in the data table. So here we are using the assign activity and insert the sum value in the data table. So here using data dt dot row dot count row. Here I'm providing the count row is a row, and the after that in the bracket 3 I'm providing the 3 is a column index, and the row count is a row index. So according like this we are inserted all the value like sum, multiply, and subtraction. All these three values inserted in the data dt table. So now our calculation is completed in the for each loop. for each loop. So one by one, we have a 3 rows. So one by one, all rows performing the same action. So after that, uh, all the value inserted in the data table. Then we use output data table activity here and convert into data table into a string, and then I print in the message box data. So all the data table print in the message box. So now I'm run this program and will show you the result. So you can see the guys here. I have a the first column is a serial number column 1 2 3. So here 3 column are available 1 2 3. So 15 is a num1 and 18 is a num2. So sum of two number is 15 18 is 33. Multiply by 2. So then 33 multiplied by 2 66, and in the 66 multiply minus num1. Num1 is a 15. Then you can subtract here 66 minus 15 equal to 51. So subs value is 51 here. So according this, we have all the rows are updated like this. So I hope you understand the this use case, how to perform uh, addition, subtraction, and multiplication in the for each loop. If you have a multiples record in the data table, then you can perform the same like same. So if you have any query, so write your query in the comment section. We will provide the solution. That's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.